We would like to show you how easy it is to create sections or elevations in iSCAF without any knowledge in CAD. We have generated a plan design. Zoom in to take a look. Save your drawing first and then build 3D to put in the components with the material list. Click on the ribbon to convert this plan to a 3D drawing. We will see that the bay labels disappear and we can see the scaffold boards. Now click on the Create Section icon in the Build panel. We give it a description, so we call this section C, and then under where it shows View Type, click on End View because we want an end view of our section and click OK. We will now window around two legs of the section that we want to represent and then click where we want the section to actually show. Let's do this again by creating another section, but this time it will be a face section. Let's call this section D. Click OK. We can then window around the face section that we want to represent. Right click to say that we're finished, and then left click to actually place the section to show it on the screen. And now we have created a section. We can zoom in to look at more detail at the stair unit on our face section. If your drawing is not in 3D and still at the plan stage, then there is a different method to create sections. So that's how we can easily draw detailed sections after you have an iSCAF 3D drawing.